There it was again. Yes, good job. Yeah. All right, we got our power bait and we got our gulp. I think it's the power bait honeyworm and the gulp earthworm. And we're gonna compare them. We're gonna see which one catches the most fish. Which one do you have, Colby? Power bait? Yeah, Colby's got power bait, I think. Tristan's got the gulp. So we're gonna see.
It's a challenge.
It is a challenge. It is a fishing challenge.
You have to,
Hopefully nobody's at our spot. Ooh, the water looks good. Let's show you the water. All right, come on, boys. Give me a bait. I'll cast it for you. There we go. Watch that bobber. Yep. Colby, set the hook.
Oh, we still have our bait. Okay.
Yeah, we still got our bait.
Oh,
now watch it.
Right next to it.
One of our hooks got gunk on it, so it went all the way down to the bottom. So we're gonna re-rig just a little bit and hopefully we can get onto something. Got one. Okay. So, there we go. One for the power bait. So, we need to take, where's your rod, Tristan? All right, Colby, there's your one.
Oh, that's a big one.
There we go.
Now take a picture.
Yeah, you want to hold him? There we go. There we go. Oh, we had one, Tristan. All right, Tristan, we got one. We got one. You gonna reel it in? Hey, good job. There you go, good cast. Oh, we just missed another bite. We just missed another bite. You did?
Oh, we got a bite?
Yeah, I did too. You have to pay attention to your bobber. There we go. There we go, Tristan.
I got him.
Yep, reel him in. Reel him in. There you go. Good job, dude.
I think that's the same fish.
No, it's a different one.
Oh.
Oh.
I think that thing's a piranha.
That's not a bad little fish, though. That's like perfect catfish bait right there.
Yeah. Ooh, man, that thing wants to breathe.
He does want to breathe.
Yeah.
There we go. We already got it on video. Hey, Colby, you want to come over here? No, I think you're tied. Oh, you got a bite. All right, that's a good spot right there. Oh, that's a bite, dude. That's a bite.
Wait, I didn't get a bite.
Yeah, you did.
But
That bobber went under. And take that slack in and set the hook when you get a bite. That was a good one. All right, Colby, come stand over here on this rock where Tristan is. Oh, you got a bite. Oh, so close, Colby. You want me to cast yours? All right, Tristan, we're on, dude. Yeah, he got our bait. All right, look at the camera. There you go. Nice. Nice. Hold on, Colby. All right, Tristan, put him back.
Mine was up.
Let's get you in the money spot. You have gotten bit so many times.
Can I take off my shirt?
No, dude. All right, let's try this. Let's go.
I'm right now cold.
Oh yeah, that's the money spot. Watch that bobber. Yeah, there you go. Reel in a little bit of that slack. That's good right there. Did you see how the bobber just moved a little bit? Perfect. That fish might come back for it. There it was again. Yes, good job. Yeah. Oh, he's getting you tangled up. Hold on. Nice, good job, dude.
Whoever gets the 10 first wins.
Wow, look at that. You want to hold him? Grab his head like his gills. Yep. You got to squeeze it harder than that. Not real hard. You don't want to kill him. There we go. Get your hand underneath him. Throw him back. Good job. So you're tied up at 3. Give me some nuts. There's one. Y'all ready? So guess what the end result was? 6 to 6. A tie. A tie. Which means you're both losers. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. You're both winners.
We both fit, Dad. You have to buy us both something that's $5 at Five Below.
Oh, a $5 thing at Five Below?
Yeah, the fart whistle.
A fart whistle? Gosh, that's $5?
Actually, it's like 2.
Oh.
But we can
I
get
mean-
more with it.
I think I can probably live with that. All right, guys. Everybody did a good job.
Can we go to the park?
Yep, we're gonna go to the park now.
Dad, I got your present.
Oh, you got me a present?
I found it.
It's not brand new?
No,
Shoot, we could have used that.
it was at the waterfall.
Gosh, there's so much tackle here. We just could have come here. Probably could have found a rod and everything.
Guys, I saw 2 more, but it was behind the waterfall.
Nice. Hey, dude, have a good day, man. Oh, is that a robo worm?
Yeah.
Heck yeah, I love these things, dude. Nice. Good deal. I appreciate it, man. Thank you. Have a good one.
I can't wait to go to Five Below and get the fart whistle. And then there's talking to Melissa I can do. So it's like, yeah.
Are you sure that's how fart whistles work?
Yeah.
What do they do?
When you blow them, it sounds like a real fart. Yeah.
I don't even know what that sounds like. Can you do the noise for me? Ah, okay.
I can't really.
No, actually. Oh my gosh. Actually, God. Okay, well the fish definitely did not like the bobbers. So that's kind of what we noticed. As soon as I started throwing weightless, the fish just like lit up on those baits. I think the fish in that little spot are just pressured so much. They don't like bobbers. They know what's up when it comes to the bobbers. So as soon as I started throwing weightless, I just started catching them hand over fist. I think the boys each got 4, and then I caught 2 with the Powerbait and the Gulp. But actually the final actually came out to 6 Powerbait and 6 Gulp. Both baits are fantastic for catching little panfish and even bass. Caught a little bass, one little bass on the Powerbait.